wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akbar Maulana. I am an graduate student, and here I will present an assessment from the SIM or System Information Management lecture. Let's go straight to the material. So here it is, the main function. The data collection explains how information system collect data from various sources. Next, data storage describe how data is stored in a database or other system. Next, data processing explain the process of processing data to produce usable information. Next, information presentation show how an information system present information to user through reports, graphs, and other visualization. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fauzi from class 1J. Here I want to present about information system function. The first here is the role of information system function in a business. The role of information system function is in a business. The information system department is a formal organizational unit responsible for informational technology services. This is responsible for maintaining the hardware, software, data storage, and network that comprise the company IT infrastructure. The next here is the information system department. The information system department is the part of an organization that is responsible for managing information technology and information system to support business goals. They develop, manage, and maintaining the IT infrastructure and application used by the organization. For example, here, an information system department that focuses on programmer will have a team consisting of IT professionals who are expert in software and application development. They may work on projects such as internal application development, website creation, of database management. The team of programmers will have in-depth knowledge of various programming languages, software development technology, and best practice in safe and efficient software development. One example is that they can design and implement content management systems specifically for internal company needs or build mobile application to increase operational efficiency. The next there is an information system department which involves system analysts who will have professionals who are expert in analyzing business needs and design appropriate information system solution. They are responsible for understanding the problem faced by the organization, analyzing existing business process, and designing information technology solution that meet those needs. For example, a system analyst may work on a new financial management system implementation project by understanding the needs of the finance department, analyzing existing accounting process, and designing a system that allows for more efficient and accurate financial reporting. They may also be involved in new systems development project or improvement the existing system by identifying opportunities to improve efficiency and performance. That's all my presentation, more or less. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Stephanie. Here I will explain about Information System Department. Number 3. System Analyst. The System Analyst is the main link between the Information System Group and the entire organization. The System Analyst job is also to translate business problem and requirement into requirement and information system. Number 4. Information System Management. Information System Management are team leader of programmer and analyst, project manager, physical facilities manager, manager telecommunication, or database specialist. They are also computer operation manager and data entry staff. Next, implementation of information. They are two types of business enterprises and which the IT function is organized within company. Number 1. Very small companies. These companies will not have a formal information system group. There might be one employee responsible for keeping the network and application running, or perhaps use a consultant for the service. Number 2. Large companies. These companies will have a separate information system department, which can be organized along several different lines depending on the nature and interest of the company.